Today I will make the emerald bracelet step by step. It's very kind for jewelry beginners. Let's making the bracelet with me. Here are the materials: oval diamond 57mm, triangle diamond 4mm, copper wire 0.2mm, butterfly clasp. Thread the copper wire through the butterfly clasp. Make the copper wire the same length on both sides. Thread a location bead on each side. The oval diamond structure is such that there are holes in the bottom for easy copper wire threading. Copper wire runs through both sides of the oval diamond. The triangle diamond structure is such that there are holes in the bottom for easy copper wire threading. Insert a triangle diamond on each side in the middle of the triangle diamond. Then thread the oval diamond. Thread the triangle diamond. Repeat the steps like this. Make the right length for your hand circumference. Add the stopper clasp at the end. Then thread the butterfly clasp. Pull the copper wire tight. Thread the stopper clasp back in. Press the stopper clasp down with the tool. So, get the stunning bracelet. It's easy to make the bracelet by yourself. Did you get it? Please follow me if you love my work. Thank you.